everyone, this is Ivan Santos and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's happy 3rd of May and happy Friday, everyone. In today's video, I will show you what I got of supplies, items, products. So, it's called Gluta-Lipo Red Iced Tea. So guys, binili ko lang po ito since last month of April. And I order it sa mga online sa marketplace. Kung ang magkano tong price ay nakalagay ito, ang price na ito ay $25. So cheap. But from the Philippines, yung Gluta-Lipo na to, it's been mahal na to. Yeah. Kaya mommy's gana siya na nagbayad ng
pera.
Gluta-Lipo na to, kaya siya nagbayad. And then, this was my first time for drinking Gluta-Lipo. Kasi hindi pa ako nakatikim ng Gluta-Lipo kung hindi ba siya sakit sa tiyan. And then tinatry ko lang, nothing. And then 10 sachet po to kalagay ng box na to. But now, na to, magiging 7 pieces of sachet ng Gluta-Lipo. 10 pieces nung dati, 10 pieces from now, magiging 7 pieces of Gluta-Lipo na sachet. So, ito po may nakalagay po yung cautions, like for adults only, not recommended for children, pregnant, and lactating moms. First-time user may experience increase in bowel activity. And then also next another and then
side.
Keep out of reach of children. Do not purchase or drink if safety seal is broken. Store at temperatures not exceeding to 30 degrees. Yeah, it's 30 degrees. Yeah. Tapos po, may nakasuot po ito yung mga prepared for the for refreshment. Yan. Like each one sachet creates 1 medium-sized glass or of 12 in 1 Gluta-Lipo signature red iced tea with moringa flakes and L-carnitine. Pwede po sa pwede po sa malamig at pwede sa mainit. Ako, ang gusto ko yung ni-refresh na sa mga yung mga Gluta-Lipo neto. Ang gusto ko yung yung cold malamig na malamig para refreshing. Yan. And then eto is made for yung province ng Philippines, Mandaluyong to. Galing to sa Mandaluyong. Siya po yung gumagawa ng Gluta-Lipo. And then may ingredients po sa for the side. 12 ingredients of recipes like glutathione, L-carnitine, grapeseed extract, collagen, green tea, moringa, barley grass, Garcinia Cambogia, Tongkat Ali, and then Guamera, goji berry, and also mangosteen. So, yeah, with moringa flakes and L-carnitine. And then, may rules dito No approved therapeutic claims. 250 grams. And then, 25 grams. So, alam mo guys, tinikman ko po ito at ininom ko na tong Gluta-Lipo na to since last day of month of April. Wala lang. Gusto sana i-try kung is it effective or not. Pag sinestraight tong inom ko, pag after ng dinner, or lunch, or breakfast, whatever, it tastes not bad. Hindi siya absurd sa mga sakit sa tiyan. Masarap talaga. I swear to God, hindi naman no sugar added. It's parang siya matabang yung mga juice. Syempre siya Gluta-Lipo yan And then pampaputi sa kinis at syempre siya pampa-sexy sa slim, sa mga tiyan, pampaalis sa taba. And then Tastes good. And then, bet ko rin tong flavors na yan. Yeah. So for all the, it's $25. Order of the marketplace, Facebook. Yan. Kaya, binili ko lang to galing kay kala Ate M Solis. Ka-friendsmate ko sa ka-workmates namin po sa Seafood City. Yeah, ako nag-order, ako nag-mili, yan, that's it. And then, yun lang, ito na yung mga list ng mga rules of Gluta Lipo Gold Series. So, itikman natin. So, ito po guys, tinimpla ko na po today. Yan. Red iced tea. Ganito po yung tsura. It's just like a flavor of red iced tea. May kulay-kulay pa yung mga artificial. So, cheers and let's begin. Tastes good.
Perfect!
Masarap talaga to uminom ng Gluta Lipo para pampaalis ng taba and also pampaglow, pampaputi sa mga kinis sa balat. Yan.
Wow,
so it tastes good. Hindi siya kasakit sa tiyan. It's good. Yeah, I like that. You know what, guys? This Gluta Lipo drink is the best. It's the best. Drinking Gluta Lipo. Yeah. So, yeah, I hope you like it. So, guys, I hope you like this video. Please comment down below and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon for more videos. Please shout out to my whole family from the Philippines and other friends in the Philippines. So, shout out to from the Hagonoy. Yeah, I miss you all. I love you all. Thanks.